What's up, you guys? It's Jason from RPM, and we've got a crazy new product for the Pro XP and XPT models. That is our new muffler delete. So I know these aren't for everybody. Not everybody likes loud, but that's why we have what we have, which is a huge variety of exhaust systems. We have E-valves that go to stock mufflers, electric valve mufflers, sport mufflers. We've got Desert Series exhausts for both the XPT and Pro XP Turbo R models. And now we have the muffler delete for the Pro XP Turbo R and XPT Turbo S models. So the only difference between the Pro XP and the XP Turbo models is how this muffler deletes. They have the same mid-pipe and they kind of hit the same location. The Pro XP models and Turbo R models, we do have a rear fascia that's optional up here. We left it off because it is an option. If you want it, cool. If not, you can run it wide open like this. Our muffler deletes are essentially this. They are a billet tip, and there actually is a small muffler. We call it muffler delete, but there is a small amount of muffler and packing in here. It is a perforated core, so it's more like a little mini resonator that we built into a tip. So it's all one solid piece, super clean the whole way through. Mounts to your factory mid-pipe. Comes with this mount. I mean, it's super clean, super easy. If you like loud, you're gonna love this. If you want something quieter, check out our other exhausts, sport mufflers, E-mufflers, E-valve mid-pipes if you want loud and quiet. So this is up on a stock 2.5-inch mid-pipe. These mufflers are 3 inches. We include hardware and we include a gasket. I know what you guys came here for, and that's the sound clips, so let's jump to it.